Today's video, I'm going to show you how you will finish your turn properly, because a lot of people, when they go for the test, they make a lot of mistake at the turns. So watch my hand movements and see how I'm turning and how I'm recovering my wheel. Don't hold your steering wheel very tight, and when you finish your turn, just loosen up your wheel. Don't leave your hands like that. Just loosen up your steering wheel and you will be good to go. I'm gonna make few turns and I will show you how you will finish your turns. So every turn gonna be a different turn. So a lot of people, they ask like what speed we have to go at the turn. So you have to go at the speed that you can control your vehicle. So I'm going to finish my turn and then I'm gonna loosen up my wheel. I'm gonna make another left turn. I will hold it here and then I will loosen up. I don't have to bring it back by myself. I'm going to finish the turn here as well. So watch my hand movement and then other hand on the top and then start loosen up. I will make right turn from here. So it's called hand over hand, and then loosen up your wheel. It's gonna come back by itself. I will make another right turn. And start. Don't leave your hands like that, because if you will leave your hands, your car gonna go to the opposite side. So make sure that you will loosen up only. I'm gonna make few more turns. So I'm gonna make few more turns. So we are turning from light. And then loosen up. We're going to make a left turn from here. Turn with one hand, use other hand on the top, and then loosen up. So if somebody is doing parking in front of you, you have to stay away from that. So at this turn, no need to give signal. Just will focus to our turn and other hand on the top and then loosen up. And wheel came back by itself. We will make right turn from here. And then loosen up and it's gonna come back. I'm gonna make left turn from here. So look at my hand movement. Don't just leave it like that, because if you will leave it like that, your car gonna go to that side. So like, loosen up. So every turn gonna be a different turn, so you have to look from far what kind of turn is coming up and you will turn according to that. Some turns you can do at 20 km/h, some turns you can do at 10 km/h. So it totally depends what kind of turn you're going, and you have to try to look from far and you have to try to understand. And then loosen up. at the bends, you will turn your hands like that. Like you have to move your wrist. Turn left. Use the other hand on the top and then loosen up. So now there is a bend coming up. So watch my hand movement. So you have to move your wrist. So some people, they move their body, so no need to move your body. You just have to use your arms. I'm gonna make a left turn from here. And loosen up your wheel, and you will be good to go. I'm gonna make few right turns. And then loosen up. Right turn again. Turn into your lane and then loosen up. I will make left turn from here. So for left turn, we will give priority to oncoming traffic. We will let them go first. And once our way is clear, then we will finish our turn. Now the way is clear. Left side blind spot check. Go into your lane and then loosen up your wheel. I'm going to make right turn. So every turn, as I told you, is a different turn. So some turns you can do at 20 km/h. Some turns you can do at 10 km/h. Some at 15. So you have to try to understand. You have to try to look from far, and you will go according to that. So now there is a bend coming up. I'm gonna get ready for that. I will turn as needed. So look at the way you want to go and then loosen up. I'm going to turn left from here. So I'm looking at my way, left signal, and then I will finish my turn and then loosen up my wheel. So that's how you will do the turns. I hope you will like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching.